Hi guys, welcome back to day 21. Today is all about you. It is a relaxing day. It is a foam rolling day. So you want to grab that foam roller. I will not be talking throughout it. I'm going to basically be showing you the moves, and you can kind of hold on to those moves as long as you want. I will not have a timer or anything. I'm just going to basically have a category of moves for you. We're going to be focusing on lower body and back because I know you need it as well as I do. And if you don't have a foam roller, use a Theragun, or just really take this day for you. If you have been following along this challenge, this is really meant for you to kind of take that off day. You could also add a walk into it, add some cardio dance, anything that just, you know, gets you kind of outside of the whole workout mentality and focus. So go ahead and grab that foam roller. Let's get started.
You were made with love. You were made with love. You were made with love for this world. Silence speaks under our feet. The roots signal across the land. Oh, these cosmic plans vibrate, sending souls for helping hands. Sow the seed and let it breathe until